for chicken tractor build number 2. And what we've done is we've cut all the pieces out already. And that should make this go way faster as far as the assembly goes. We also, you probably already saw the video showing how I used the reciprocating saw to cut these pieces out instead of the circular saw. Much faster, much cleaner, mostly much straighter, but way less noise and just a lot easier to control. So these pieces are ready. These pieces over here are ready. So enjoy the build. So here we are assembling the frames again. We've chosen to use glue at the corner braces and for all the frame pieces, and then we'll use screws only to assemble the frames together so that if we want to take it apart, it'll be a little bit easier to do so. Having these pieces all pre-cut out really sped up this process. Much more efficient overall, I would say, and a lot easier to manage. The other main difference you'll see here is that we chose to put these metal panels on and also the hardware cloth on before we assembled the frames together. We feel like that was much easier. The only real downside that we saw from attaching the metal and hardware cloth first was that some of the pieces hung over further than we expected. We would measure that out better the next time. And then just putting finishing touches on everything, such as hooks for the lid and the door, hanging equipment for the waterer and the feeder, and the rope loops for pulling the tractor back and forth.
And here we are. Here's the second chicken tractor with the first one out in operation. The birds have been split up between the two. It's looking good so far.